Okay, guys, this is hopefully the final video of this project, this modular robot creation project. So as you can see, this is the final look, and the robots are with the weapon. Okay, so as you can see, the weapon. So there are several weapons actually I have created. So this one is like this, and as you can see, they are the Gatling cannon also. So it's like from the hand this way actually. So as you can see from this side, they are quite a simple geometry, but I produce in such a way that this is one of the Gatling motor. Actually, they can spit out the mortar shells, and also these are the bullet shells, the traditional Gatling gun barrels. Okay, and also the rail gun, or some kind of sci-fi gun, and in the shoulder part of the um, uh, the robot. So it's like something like, if you could rotate them in such a way, you see what I mean actually. So it's like, you can fire it straight, you can fire it upwards, you can fire it on the ground. So it's like they are having their air defense with them. And this is several options, like this one, the combination of the Gatling gun and all that, and also the rail gun. And this is another one, the sci-fi kind of ray gun, that sort of things, as you can see. And yeah, so it's like, so I actually produce four kinds of five kinds of gun. One is like this one. This is a four barrel sci-fi gun, and one is the four barrel Gatling gun, and one is the six barrel Gatling gun, the traditional one. And this one is four barrel. Yeah, I just copied that. And then I produce this type of gun. It's also four barrel. This is also four barrel, as you can see here. And all the guns actually maintaining the joining part. You can see this part. Okay, so this part and this part is joined properly. I mean, you can merge them. And this one is another barrel. Okay, and the other part is like, yeah, actually I just keep repeat the process, keep repeat the gun. And this one is with the four Gatling gun option. You can imagine the firepower of this one. So it's like very um, uh, very heavy power actually. So it's like that kind of thing. And also the short version of the ray gun, short version of this gun. So yeah, so this is actually the final look. So you can have at the end, it can be said that this is the final look, and they are ready for texturing and all that. So you can actually, you are ready for doing the texturing, and then the rigging, and animate the things. So in fact, I just had a rigging, one of the robot I just rigged. So I'll try to show the things on some other tutorial, actually some rigging tutorial maybe. So as you can see, so this is the complete project. This is the complete project. So it's like from here with the weapon system, they are looking so frightened kind of. Okay, they're looking so tough kind of actually, but they have the poly count quite minimum, and I think the police is quite normal, uh, and to maintain the shape, to maintain the quality, the details, uh, the minimum poly count is quite ready, and so this kind of asset is I have this asset is already in my asset store. So this kind of creation you can have it in the like uh, like in the game, third person or first person even. Okay, so you can use them quite well. So guys, I think this is the end, and I think you enjoyed this whole tutorial, and I am also very happy to announce that this is the end part of the tutorial, and this starts from the foot design, a simple from the concept design to the foot design, and gradually I progressed through the lower part of the foot, then the middle part, upper part, connection, and the head part or the body part, and then this extension, and finally I have the 10 variation of the robot. So I think I able to show you the principle of how I designed, how I model actually, and I able to show you the inner part of the modular asset pack, that how actually I use or design the modular asset. So you can switch between every asset, I mean weapon part and all that. So everything is separatable. I mean this one, the gun part, this Gatling gun and this gun. So everything is attachable with the proper proper connection, something like this, they are connectable. So yeah, so this is guys from me. I hope I will come again with another tutorial. So I hope if you have any question, I am keep asking this in every tutorial video. If you have any question, if you have any question regarding this kind of project or this kind of this project or anything related to the 3D, you can ask me. You can obviously choose approach like text me, DM me, or WhatsApp me, or in a comment you can put your thoughts or discussion. I will be happy to answer. And please stay with my channel, stay with my Facebook page, stay with my YouTube channel, and I will be happy to know that you are with me actually, because without your support I will actually, it is very impossible for me that without your support I can proceed, because your support or your one subscribe of your from you actually keeps me very motivated, and your comments and your your reaction gives me motivation that you are following my work, and my you are with me actually. You are concerning about my work actually. So thank you guys. I will come again with another exciting tutorial. Thank you. If you learn anything, or if you get the main point of this from this project, from this series, I'll be happy to know that. I'll be happy to know your thoughts, the overall thoughts, how you get this from this overall video, or overall this tutorial series. Thank you very much. This is actually, by the way, this is actually the modeling tutorial. This was actually the modeling tutorial. I just only focused at how I produced this series of the robot actually. So thank you. I will be come again in next video or next series. Thank you.